In this video, we will make some adjustments to the connecting rods. For example, this connecting rod should be placed in the center of this notch. So I will select this connecting rod in part level, then I will turn on the tribal, and we have to move the tribal to the center of the connecting rod. So I will loosen the tribal, and then I will right click this handle and choose between face and point. And I will select this face and this edge. So now it is in the center of the connecting rod. Then I lock the tribal and right click again this handle and choose between face and point again. But now I will select this face and this edge. So the connecting rod is now placed in the center of the notch. Then I turn off the tribal. Then we go over to this side and see what we have to do here. I have to move this connecting rod a little bit, so I will select it and turn on the tribal. Then I will right click this handle to choose to point, and I will click on this face. Then I will turn off the tribal. Then we have to make some changes down here as well. So when this connecting rod is selected, I will shift select the bracket down here. Then I use hide unselected by pressing Ctrl Alt space. So now it is easier to make the adjustments. So I have to select this cut extrude. And a quick way to select IntelliShape is to press the Alt key and then left click. Alt and left click, you will select an IntelliShape. So now I will grab this handle and use the Shift key to snap to this side. And I think I have to make it a little bit deeper here. So I will drag a little bit and I will make it 11.2 and hit enter. And that's enough. Okay, then I deselect and I will use Shift and space to show all. Now we will come over to this side and see what we have to do here. I have to move this connecting rod, so I will select it and turn on the tribal like so. And we have to move the tribal to the other side, so I will unlock the tribal, right click this handle and select to point, and I will click here on this face, and then I lock the tribal and I will right click this handle and select to point, and I will click here on this face. Then I turn off the tribal and I continue down here. So we see that I have to move this connecting rod and also this crank disc. But I will start with the crank disc, so I will select it and turn on the tribal. And we will move the tribal to the other side, so I will loosen the tribal, right click this handle, choose to point this side, then lock the tribal and right click this handle and choose to point and this face like so. Then I turn off the tribal, select this connecting rod and turn on the tribal, right click this handle and choose to point and click on this face, and then I turn off the tribal. So now we have to remove some materials here on this bracket, and we know that there is a cut extrude here, so we select the bracket, come over to the scene browser and expand the bracket, and here we find the H block or the cut extrude. So we select it. Now we can grab this handle and use the Shift key to snap to this side here. So now we have removed enough material. So now we have made the adjustments to the connecting rods, moved the crank disc and also removed some more materials here and also here on this bracket. Then I move the camera to top front right and fit scene, and I will save the scene here so we can continue in the next video.